So final question was from Kieran, great name. My question is about competitors abusing Google My Business with paid for links. Does it have an effect?
I guess there's a few things to roll into this question. So if you Google My Business, links do matter. So when it comes to Google My Business, where you rank in that map pack, along with your kind of local SEO specific ranking factors like citations, Google My Business, how much data you filled out in there, the regular ranking factors do count towards that. So backlinks do impact that. So all things being equal, if your competitor's got more backlinks than you, higher quality, then they're going to rank above you in Google My Business. Paid for backlinks, it all depends on the type of backlinks it is. We'd need to kind of determine that. If they're spammy, horrible, unnatural backlinks, Google's going to suss it out and it's going to drop them. If they're perhaps being mentioned on a very high quality directory website where you have to pay to even be included, then that's going to help their SEO because they're being mentioned on a high directory kind of quality directory website. So yeah, how to stop it to even the playing field? I guess it really depends. Like, are their links spammy? Are they going to get hit by it? Are they the kind of links that you can replicate because they're actually good quality links? Can you look to build up links? Is it the links that's actually getting them to where they are?
I was going to say that,
I mean, we've mentioned it. You know, there are so many ranking factors. You know, you should really look at things in isolation and go, okay, well, this is the difference that means so and so's ranking above me, or I'm ranking above so and so because this one thing. You know, there are so many different factors. So yeah, have a look. I'd probably, you know, if you do see a significant difference between your backlinks and theirs, just have a look at their backlink profile. Where they're getting from, are they good quality backlinks? Because backlinks are just going to help you generally anyway. You know, Google My Business across all of your keywords. So yeah, it's hard to say without seeing them, but have a look through and just try and build your backlink profile. So it's a general piece of advice.
Yeah, I was going to say, obviously if you add these as competitors within Hike, we will give you backlink opportunities where maybe both of them actually have links on the same site. So it's a quick win for you to go away and actually build the links on the same sites that they've got to kind of almost even the backlink playing field of the map pack.
Yeah, good point, well made.